In this tutorial, we are building a journey to add Mailchimp subscriber when we receive data via webhooks. So let's build this journey. Select HTTP as a trigger, then choose New Request on HTTP link as a trigger event. Now provide the webhook name. You'll see a window with an option of copying URL. Now provide HTTP method as post and provide request parameters as shown. Now in steps, we have to add a new subscriber via Mailchimp. For that, select Mailchimp. Next, add subscriber member as an action. Select an existing connection and click on link an account. Now select the list. Provide the email from HTTP app data tree. Click on Save Changes. Now let's get back to the trigger. So in order to set up a webhook, copy the URL, then paste it in our standard HTML form action. Then save it as an HTML file. Then open it using the browser. Whenever we submit details via this form, Webhook will capture the details. Now save the journey, start journey. Now to check the output, go to Webhook form, provide your email address, name, submit the form. Now let's get back to the journey. We can see that it is executed successfully. Now let's get back to the Mailchimp. We can see a new subscriber added with provided email. In this way, we can create an automation journey to add Mailchimp subscribers when we receive data via webhooks. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.